you are interested in learning more about opal jewellery, or if you're looking for recommendations on where to buy opal jewellery from, then this video is for you. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing 2 opal rings for you today from Linjer's premium 14 karat solid gold range, and I'll also talk to you a little bit about opals, where they originate from, what they're suitable for in terms of jewellery, and how to care for your opals once you've purchased them as well. Anything from Linjer's opal range would make the perfect gift in my opinion, especially if you know anyone born in October, as opal is the birthstone for October. The rings I'm showing you today are from the 14 karat gold solid range rather than the gold vermeil or sterling silver range. So they come in these premium navy and gold little dust bags. These are perfect for travel, very luxurious, very premium. Again, really important if you're gifting this to someone special. This first ring you are going to love if you are a fan of minimalistic jewelry, very simple jewelry. This one has just 1 opal in the center and it's surrounded by 6 very tiny lab-grown diamonds. So the second ring I chose from Linjer is definitely a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more of a statement. It's this beautiful big opal, oval opal ring surrounded by a sunburst halo of lab-grown diamonds. The daintiness of the first ring combined with that sparkle and that extravagance of the middle finger ring is just perfection. Just the right amount of glisten and glitter and sparkle and those rainbow fiery colours that you get from the opals themselves. What makes opals so special is that they are the only gemstones naturally found on Earth that come in all of the colours of the rainbow. And that's because of the silica molecules that make up the opal. Once the light hits it, it diffracts light into all of the colours of the rainbow, which is why when you look closely at your opal jewellery, you will see reds, you will see greens, you will see purples, you will see yellows. Now Linjer use ethically sourced natural opals derived from Australia, which is where most of the natural opals in the world are found. Although if you go a little bit further afield, did you know that opals were actually found on Mars in 2008? So they really are out of this world. You can really pair them and stack them with any shade of metal, any silver or gold jewelry, any gemstones that you already have in your collection, whether it's diamonds or colorful gemstones, and they are going to mix and match and look amazing. I'm going to show you a few of my favorite ring stacks with some other Linjer jewelry that I have in my collection. As you can see, I mostly wear gold jewelry and it just looks so perfect with these 2 new opal rings in my collection. I can pair them with simple gold bands, with diamonds as well, and if I had other colourful gemstones, I would love to pair them with those as well. It makes them really versatile, and it also ensures that if you are gifting opals to someone, whatever their jewelry taste, whatever their preference when it comes to gemstones and metals, an opal is going to be able to stack and fit in with the rest of their collection really seamlessly. Now opals are a more delicate gemstone. They rate between a 5.5 and a 6.5 on the Mohs scale, which is a scale of hardness, with diamonds being the hardest gemstones and opals falling somewhere in the middle. This means that you do have to be a little bit more careful and a little bit more delicate with your opal jewelry in comparison to harder gemstones like diamonds. What I recommend doing is taking your opal jewelry off for any intensive activities, exercise, going to the gym, and also when you are showering or swimming. Opals are actually about 20% water, and you want to avoid submerging them completely in water because it can actually change the color of the opal. So just make sure to remove your opal jewelry when you're cleaning, showering, or swimming. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new and fun about opal jewelry. Let me know if there's a gemstone you would like me to cover next. I will leave the discount code for Linjer. This works on all of their pieces, not just their opals, but I do recommend going and having a look at both their solid 14 karat line and their opal jewelry line because they are both exquisite. Whether it's a gift for your loved one or for yourself, I really hope you treasure your opal jewelry. Let me know if you have any opal jewelry in your collection. Do you love to wear opals? I personally think they're one of my favorite gemstones, along with diamonds, of course. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to watch more of my jewelry series, I will leave a couple of options linked on screen. Otherwise, I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!